got the JP8300s.
Times two.
Two of them wired at 1 ohm. I had the Powers AK, 4 of them. And I have 8 Xv3 Sundonw Xv3s that I got directly from the Down for Sound website. Hands down, I've been demoing for about 6 hours. Haven't had one problem out the JP8300s. If you want them, get them. That's all I'm gonna say.
I appreciate it. How's it compare? You having so you had 4 8Ks before, right?
Yep, 4 8Ks.
And now you have 2 8Ks.
Yep.
How does it compare?
So with the Sundonw subs and the 8Ks, I am more windier with the JP8300. A lot more windier.
Drop
Hands
the mic.
down.
Drop the mic.
Hands down.
Turn this bad boy up. Let's see what it'll do.
All right.
This ain't no little boy, she got that band on the mouth.
Guys, if y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.